Released in 1994, the original Dragonfly was a proud member of Spyderco's groundbreaking family of lightweight folding knives, which pioneered the use of fiberglass reinforced nylon handles with molded integral pocket clips. Like all the knives of that generation, the Dragonfly featured a sturdy mid-backlock mechanism, and its clip catered to the 90% right-handed majority by providing right-side tip-up carry only. Its leaf-shaped blade was hollow ground from Jin 1 G2 stainless steel and featured a fully accessible trademark round hole that allowed swift one-handed opening with either hand. In 1996, the Dragonfly design was overhauled to incorporate a number of enhancements, including relocating the blade's opening hole for better leverage and lengthening the thumb ramp. Other changes to the blade included replacing the original steel with AUS 8, switching the grind from hollow to full flat, and adding a beveled cusp to the spine of the blade. Additionally, the base of the integral clip was extended all the way to the butt end, and the handle ergonomics were fine-tuned to provide a more secure grip. In 1997, we introduced the stainless steel-handled Dragonfly, which had the distinction of bearing the experimental designation CX05 for a brief period before sharing the C28 model number of its lightweight counterpart. Its full flat ground blade reverted to the Jin 1 G2 steel, and it became the first stainless-handled Spyderco model to feature a tip-up carry clip. In 1998, the stainless Dragonfly's steel was switched to ATS 55. In 2001, the blades of both versions were lengthened slightly, and in 2004, buoy dents were added to the lock releases of both models. In 2008, blade steel of the stainless version was updated to the current VG10, and in 2009, a tattoo stainless model was introduced featuring a multicolored graphic on the handle. During this period, in addition to these full production Dragonflies, Spyderco also began exploring limited edition and sprint run expressions of the design, including a variant with carbon fiber scales and one with a white FRN handle. By 2009, many other Spyderco models had already begun incorporating reversible pocket clips to accommodate left-handed users. To catch up to that trend, we introduced a version of the Dragonfly design with foliage green, heel-ply G10 handle scales, and a reversible wire clip. Together with the other symmetrical features of the design, it made the knife's carry and operation completely ambidextrous. It also paved the way for a second generation of the lightweight Dragonfly, the Dragonfly 2. Released in late 2010, the Dragonfly 2 faithfully retained all the key features of the original lightweight model, but added the benefits of the reversible deep pocket wire clip and enhanced non-slip texturing. While the first generation lightweight had a volcano grip texture pattern only on the obverse side of the handle, the Dragonfly 2's one-piece FRN handle features a high-traction bidirectional texture pattern on both sides. This enhanced texture complements the design's exceptional ergonomics to guarantee a secure grip even in extreme conditions. As its popularity skyrocketed, it also fueled many other variations. The Dragonfly 2 joined our Elite Salt series, where it was rendered in ultra-corrosion-resistant H1 steel, high-visibility yellow handles, and even a fully serrated hawkbill blade profile. Steel aficionados were treated to an elite production version with a ZDP 189 blade and a variety of exclusives boasting exotic steels. In addition to the standard leaf-shaped blade and the hawkbill salt, the Dragonfly 2 also evolved to incorporate a straight-edged Wharncliffe-style blade and a saber ground blade with an Emerson opener on the spine for high-speed deployment. Dragonfly 2 exclusives have been produced in a wide range of colors, and both full production and limited edition versions have been made with Zome handles, a painstaking brush dyeing process that makes every knife an individual work of art. The Dragonfly is a truly remarkable folding knife that offers an exceptional balance of convenience and full-service cutting performance. Its compact size makes it both socially and legally friendly, and one of the few serious cutting tools that will fit in the shallow pockets of most women's wardrobe. Its tremendous popularity has inspired one of the most diverse families of knives in the Spyderco product line, and it will no doubt continue to evolve for many years to come.